So I'll do you a really fast update on how the pumpkins are getting on. So they're obviously being kept now in those large pots, and look how much growth we got. So we're now watering every day, each morning. Just wanted to sort of show you the differences. So although that flower has closed up today, that is the male flower. So you can see the male flowers as they are just a singular flower, don't have anything behind. And then this is the female flower, and the female flower is always closer to the stem and then has a small bulbous section to it, which obviously well, not obviously, but if the flower is successfully pollinated, will then begin to develop. So you can see that there is what's going to be developing as a pumpkin, as will that one. And as yet, I don't think there's, oh yeah, there's a tiny one there. So that's how they were formed. So that is actually a female flower yet to open, and then it's only when that flower opens and is pollinated that will then successfully develop. But yeah, just wanted to show you where they're at. And feeding wise, put down chicken pellets, putting down chicken pellets sort of once a month, and yeah, so give them a good soak every morning. And they are in that plastic tray, which acts as a water reservoir for them as well. Yeah, now we've started to get a little bit of fruit formation, then I'll start supplementing the watering also with a general vegetable feed. So yeah, that's where we're at. So I hope you liked the quick video update. Yeah, by no means am I an expert on growing pumpkins, as quite frankly I've only done it a couple of times, but this year I'm going for it. So yeah, if you got any messages, any questions, just send them across. I'll do my best to answer your questions. Yeah, keep subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to press that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos that I'm doing. And yeah, just most importantly, have fun in the garden and keep doing what you're doing, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.